Hello, welcome to David channel again. If you're holding a pizza and a Pepsi, please get ready because I am going to flood it up. Now everybody, move your dance swings and those things because we are going to get our boxing club ready because we are going to fight today. Welcome to the wolf. Okay, let's go. Well, I don't have a PS4 yet, but even if I don't have a PS4, I know you guys, you like my stream. Okay, I know that you like my stream, right? Won't you? Please, I want you to subscribe because I'm not feeling any subscriptions, I'm not feeling any likes, and I'm very bored here. Please need that subscription. Okay,
What are you, blind?
what?
Why, you don't see there's a line?
So what?
I've been standing here a half hour already.
This guy always gets
Walk
my
in.
nerves.
Must be nice being the sheriff. Do whatever the fuck you like. I don't have time for this. Yeah, you and all the rest of them in there. Fucker.
You two fucker. See, you can't see my face because I'm using a laptop. But when I'm going stronger, I'm going my business is going further. Then you're going to see my face. Okay.
The last thing I need
What's happening here?
is a hysteria. Do you understand me?
Yes, of course I
Don't
do.
interrupt me, Miss Snow.
You asked me a question.
Don't change the subject. You are to blame for this unpleasantness, Miss Snow.
I brought you this news as soon as I could.
You are trusted to keep things running smoothly around here. This is a disaster.
If anyone's to blame, it's me. You don't need to be yelling at her.
Oh, your role in this is
I have to take the blame.
Yes.
That's
let's
how
talk about
people
that.
do.
Sheriff, you are the one charged with protecting the citizens of Fabletown. Your failure to do so cost someone their life and the safety of the entire community. Tell me you've been doing something. Are there any leads? Suspects? Anything. Anything at all. Any shred of evidence you two know what the hell you're doing. Because right now, I have half a mind to fire the both of you.
Bluebeard came to mind. It's his MO. It's shaky, but
Don't be absurd. Bluebeard is out of the country as we speak, so don't even think about accusing him of such a treacherous affair. With all you're operating off of his ancient history, we're all in much more trouble than I imagined. You two need to get a handle on this situation quickly and quietly. The last thing we need is all of Fabletown.
The last time when my business grew up, I'm going to buy a PS5 because
yes.
I need some money to take care of my family.
Right this minute and let her know I'm coming in early for
My father died long time ago, and that is very sad for mine. But I'm going on
Where
with
is
my
the bottle
life.
of wine you were to purchase? No bother. Forget it. Can't do anything right.
And I'm the only grown up in a family that can take care of the
Do
family.
your
That's what I
job,
want to
Sheriff.
do. A
We'll
YouTube.
find someone who can.
Okay, fuck you, man.
You know what?
Stop. We'll get on it right away, sir.
Oh,
You would have just pissed him off more.
All right.
Well, that could have gone better. Oh, Crane doesn't like people smoking and... Never mind. Smoke away.
What an asshole.
Yep. That was about an 8 on the asshole scale. Asshole scale? That doesn't sound right.
Is he gone?
Yes, thankfully.
whoa, this story is getting further and further and further. How can a monkey? That monkey is blind. I can't see his eyes anywhere.
Hello, Miss Snow.
Can you see his
Drinking
eyes?
This early? Where did you get that?
It was by Mr. Ichabod's desk.
And don't you think it probably belongs to him?
Maybe.
I think this monkey always drink. That's why his eyes have grown out.
How are you today, Mr. Bigby?
It hasn't been a great morning, Buffkin.
Sorry.
Not your fault. Thanks for asking, though.
Buffkin, get the books.
Which books?
The ones with all the fables in it.
Not sure that was any more specific.
Bring the first 3.
Be back in a few minutes.
He knows the ones I'm talking about. There's bound to be information on her here. Somewhere. We'll at least be able to get her real name from the books whenever Buffkin finds them. In the meantime, look around. Maybe the mirror can help. I really have to get this appointment squared away, but let me know if you need anything. Hello, Vivian? Hi, this is
And please, if you want to chat me on WhatsApp, you can chat me on this number 054 910. No, sorry, cancel that number. Plus 233 0. Sorry, plus 233 541946
No, we got your invoice.
34 and 9.
Yes. Should be squared away?
Well, okay, let's fill it. No, why?
No, I'm waiting.
This thing again.
Yes, I mean, I questioned it only due to the amount. It seemed a bit excessive.
Magic lamps are pretty much just lamps. After the genie's been freed.
Well, that's not what I have here. I can look through it again and get back to you. I'll be sure to let him know. Yes.
Hey, magic mirror. I got a question.
You know the rule.
No.
Your impatience is callow, needlessly cruel, but have some respect for our history rules.
Mirror, mirror. If you're able, tell me all about this fable.
I was going
That's so
to
hard. Yeah, I'm about 2 seconds away from kicking a hole in you.
There's no need for that. Fine. Of which fable do you wish to know?
I wish no Buffkin. I wish
Show
no
me
Buffkin.
Buffkin. Hey, put down the bottle and get to work.
Again, drinking.
Show me Snow White.
Not much of a request. She's in this very room.
Show me the woodsman. Where is he?
What you see is complete. The woodsman stumbles down a street.
No shit. Which street?
I'm sorry, Bigby. I can only show you what can't be seen.
Nobody right now.
Very well. Please return should you wish to ask about someone else. Or someone new.
Well, I'm sure we'll get it all cleared up. Okay. Thank you. We'll start with these. Any information on fables in our community will be somewhere in these books.
This is Biggs. Oh, that means these guys have a beauty. Wow. This is.
Colin and his brothers.
Hey, this thing is one. It's like the one on this ring, like this sign here. Here is the same sign here again. This thing's going to be very fishy.
I've seen this before. This symbol on the man's clothes, it's the same as the rings.
Could be her father or husband. This has most of the emblems of the old days and usually what family they come from. If it's in here, we'll have her name.
I think her name was Red. She didn't make it out. Red Riding Hood's knight in shabby armor.
The woodsman?
Yep, and his axe. And there's me. On a good day.
I'm pretty sure that's supposed to be me.
Wars. What I said about that.
Snow White. I love those cartoons. Alright. This angry. Oh, I can't remember all of their names. But I was kid that they showed those cartoons.
Happier days.
Beauty. Sleeping Beauty. No.
And a man. Beast.
Funny.
I love you. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you, love you, love you, oh, 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 I love you, oh. Let's go on, let's go.
Haven't seen Badger around for a while.
He likes his privacy, I think.
I wish Toad would like his a bit more. Nice hat. Ichabod Crane. Scared shitless.
What's that?
Your boss. His finest moment. Hard to understand how he ended up running this place.
Well, maybe it's time that changed.
Great.
What?
I can't read any of this shit.
I can help.
Yo. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sorry of doubting this guy, but
We'll
I mean
agree
that
together.
means this guy is a guide to this book. Okay. Cause
An exquisite design.
I can
from
read,
the
but
good
he
china
can read,
of Toad
and he's
Hall.
blind.
Mr. Toad.
He probably
Get
wrote
that
this
right.
himself.
My lady brother always says that.
Where's this?
Oh, David.
Which family?
Oh, David.
That's an
I want to play game. I want to play
name.
bats.
I'll layer
Oh
light
God,
brown.
I was in school
I'll go look it up.
doing those things, and my mother is trying his best to keep us
Donkey skin.
healthy,
Yes. What does it say?
and I'm grateful for that.
Donkey skin girl, also known as donkey skin, also known as ass skin.
Asking, Oscar.
Name fake. Poetic.
Buffkin, we don't need the commentary.
How can a person named called
The
Asking?
story of Donkey Skin. There was once a great king with a beautiful queen. The queen grew ill and had her husband promise to only marry the most beautiful girl in the kingdom.
Whoa,
After
that
a
will be
long
me.
search, it became clear that the only woman in the land that could match her beauty was his daughter.
Wow, I'm strong.
She had a magic cloak made from the skin of her father's prized donkey that would hide her beauty so she could escape his kingdom. Eventually, she married a prince who could see past the magic cloak and knew her true beauty. And they lived happily ever after. Should I mark it, Miss Snow?
Yes. Please. And what's her husband's name?
Lawrence. Prince Lawrence.
We got what we came for.
Yeah.
Her name's Faith. She was married to Prince Lawrence. I mean, that's more than we...
Name was Faith.
Yeah.
You should talk to the husband.
You think he did it?
He's the first suspect, so
Nothing would surprise me at this point. We can't rule him out. Strength. I guess it comes in all forms.
guys, like, I want to go to the mirror again. Maybe I can find some clue. Maybe I can ask the mirror where is the Prince Lawrence, that to be easier for me to get. Right? Maybe the mirror must have something because it's a magic mirror. Woo!
Mirror, mirror, blah blah able, blah 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 about this fable.
Of which fable do you wish to know?
Show me Faith's father, the old king. Guess that crosses him off the suspect list. He's a prince, I think. Show me Prince Lawrence. What's he been doing? Where is this?
Where's what?
Do you know where Prince Lawrence lives?
If he's a prince, probably relocated in the South Bronx. Yellow building, red window shutters.
No,
Frames.
if it's a prince,
That's the one.
you have to live
I
at
can
the
take you
castle, right? With booze, plenty guards, servants. Oh, I wish I was in that place. I would just order pizza, Pepsi. Oh, I will enjoy them. My stomach will be full. I'm just as these things.
Nobody right now.
there. Anything we can use?
Yeah, that'll have to do for now.
Come on, we're going over there.
What
Sorry.
the sort of the
To
game?
get that. Hello, Woodland's business office. Yes, He is. Hold on. Bigby, it's for you.
Bigby, it's me, Toad. You there? Are you there, man? Bigby, shit. Listen, right, there's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's things. Get over here, Bigby, before he... Oh, wait, hang on. Oi, shit. Hey!
What was that about?
Hard to say. Something going on over at Toad's place.
What about Faith's husband?
I don't know, I couldn't really tell. But he could be in trouble. And we should go there anyway to search her apartment. Toad might have to wait.
Whenever you're ready.
Whoa, somebody's in love.
Did Toad say who was there? Was it the woodsman?
I don't know, it's possible. Whoever it was, it didn't seem like Toad was happy to see him.
Well, maybe Prince Lawrence can wait.
Yeah, he didn't see him. He could use some help, too.
Well, where to first?
Bigby, shit. Listen, right, there's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's
You
things.
think he did it? What's her husband's name?
Somebody's
Lawrence.
in death, and somebody also is in danger. Oh God, what should I do? You guys would know what to do. So I want you to subscribe and hit the like button. The more subscriber gets, the more like I'm going to compare the both of them and go to Fred. So the subscription is about the frog, and the like is about the knife. So guys, I want you to do something to me. Boom that cloud. Or am I going to save for two? I should save somebody, right? Then if your answer is yes, I want you to hit that like button and subscribe button, please. So I'm going to the third apartment. Yeah.
It's me, Toad. Big, shit. Listen, right, there's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's things.
He did it? What's her husband's name?
Toad. Big, shit. Listen, right, there's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's things. Get over here, Big, before he...
Toad sounds like he needs help right now. We can check in on Prince Lawrence.
Yeah.
Okay.
Showing it up. So guys, goodbye. See you there. Okay. Peace.